Hey everyone, this is Mitch Darrow from Russ Darrow Kia of Wauwatosa, and right here I have the 2020 Kia Telluride EX. It's priced at $44,994. You can bring in your trade-in and get more than ever for it to get a great deal on this car right here. In here you're going to have already tinted windows. You're going to have a wood grain dash here all across the dashboard. Your upgraded 12.5-inch screen, heated and cooled seats for both the driver and passenger. And here in the back you're going to have a nice bench seat. This is actually going to be an 8-passenger vehicle, sitting 3 in the second row and 3 in the back row. And then what's nice about the EX is you're going to get an automatic power liftgate that's going to be controlled right by your key. Great value and a great deal on KBB's highest resale value vehicle of the year. Enjoy.